Okay, we've got new doors opening with the set here. This is part. I'm coming into the kitchen area on the new Real Life set. Obviously, it's not done yet, but we've got the cabinets are being put in place and the flooring. I don't know if you can see the floor down here. Look at Larry James. He's looking very nicely with the lighting back here in the background. He's setting up lighting. He's our consummate professional director and lighting guy. And all this stuff is happening right now, so we can have the best show possible to minister to you and your family. So be sure to tune in for more updates of what's happening right here on the Real Life Set.